I'm going to show you how to use leader dots in Word. I've typed some wording here, opening times, Monday to Friday 9:30 to 5:30, Saturday to Sunday 9:30 to 1 o'clock. And what I'd like to do is have the days of the week on the left side of the page and the times over on the right side. Now to do this you need to use you need to first select the area that you'd like to put the leader dots in. Then you need to go to, make sure you're on the Home tab and the ribbon that shows the paragraph group, and you need to click on this square box here with the arrow in. Now this brings up the paragraph window, and from here we need to click on the tab button. Now from here we can choose where we'd like our tab stop position to be. Now it's helpful to actually have the ruler showing at the top. So I'm going to cancel out of here, and I'm going to first of all show you how to view the ruler. For that we go to the View tab, which reveals the View ribbon. Over here in the Show group you can see Ruler, and we'll tick that box. We now have the ruler on view, which will make putting tabs in easier. So we'll go back to our Home tab ribbon, to our paragraph group, click on the dialog box button and the tabs button on the bottom left. Now where would we like the tab stop position to be? I suggest 14. So we type 14 in there. We would like the alignment to be on the right, and we would like there to be leader dots. Now you can see there's other options available, such as the alignment could be in the centre or have all the decimals lined up. You could also have it with no leader dots, dashes or an underline. At this point we want to press the Set button, and this moves the 14 tab stop position down to here. Now we can continue to put extra figures in where we'd like further tabs to stop, but for this demonstration we'll leave it there and click on OK. Now at this point it appears nothing has happened, but there has actually, on the ruler you can see a right tab has been marked at number 14. Now what we need to do is put the cursor where we would like the tab to start. So we press the tab key on the keyboard, and that moves the numbers over to the right, inserting leader dots, and we click on the next line where we would like the tabs to start, the leader dots to start, and we press tab on the keyboard. Now as we can see, that's all been right aligned. Now it may be that you'd then like to change it from 14 further down the ruler, say to 10 or 11. So we select the lines that we'd like to move, and we click on the right tab button and we move it to wherever we'd like it to be, and let go of the left mouse. As you can see, this has moved it in to be in line with the ruler at the top. Now we may like to continue with other tabs. Now if we press enter here, you'll notice that the tab position has stayed. So we can then write a further line, and we can place our cursor at the beginning of the C and press tab again on the keyboard. We go to the end and press enter. We now don't want any more leader dots to put in, so we need to remove this from the ruler, our right tab. So we left click on it and drag it down. As you can see, it's now been removed from the ruler.